In setting up the system's date and time, right-click on the area of time and date at the lower right part of the screen. Then select Adjust Date or Time. In the Date or Time settings, select On to set time automatically. Or select Off and select Change to set the date and time manually, and then click Change. In setting up the computer name, search for this PC, right-click on it, and then select Properties. From the Systems panel, select Change Settings. Then, the dialog box will appear for the computer description. After that, select Change and type the computer name and workgroup. And then select OK and allow the computer to restart to apply the changes in the system settings. After restarting the computer description, computer name, and workgroup is changed. Next is installing the network driver. Search for this PC, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then, select Device Manager and select Network Adapters. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and select Search automatically for drivers. And it says here that the best drivers for my device are already installed. In configuring network settings, right-click the network adapter icon at the lower right part of the screen. Then, select Open Network and Internet Settings. And select Change Adapter option. Select the active connection, which is Wi-Fi or WLAN, and select Properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. After that, select Use the following IP address and assign IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the preferred DNS based on the correct network configuration guidelines. And then select OK. And then check the network configuration by accessing the command prompt and typing ipconfig. And also, test the connection using ping command.